Hi everyone, in this video we will have a look at the feature of bounding box, which is the standard interface for object manipulation in HoloLens 2. In the beginning, we will run a bounding box sample coming with Mixed Reality Toolkit. After that, we will create a bounding box from scratch. Let's get started. As we can see, the bounding box is showing up around the object to indicate that it can be interacted with. Handles on the corners and edges of the box allow scaling and rotating the object. It supports the hand ray and pinch. Pinch at the handle at the edge and drag to rotate. Pinch at the handle at the corner to scale, and pinch and drag at other places to move. For near interaction, it reacts to touch and drag to rotate, move, and scale as well. It also supports gaze and pinch interaction. Now let's create the bounding box for object groups step by step. First, we will create the objects for interaction. In Project window, go to folder of MRTK scene and open the base scene. Then save the scene as bounding box. Move to the hierarchy window. Create the empty object and name it as bounding box. Then change its position to 0, 0, 2. Next, create a unity cube and make it as child of bounding box and change its position to 0, 0, 0 and scale to 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. To make it easier to review the effect of bounding box, let's create a group objects. Following the steps for cube, we'll create one sphere and one capsule. Set the position to be separate from each other. Then copy those three objects to create another row. The next step is to enable rotation, scaling, and movement of the objects. Select the object of bounding box. In the inspector panel, add component of box collider. Set the center to be 0, 0.10. And size to 0.7, 0.5, 0.2. Then add component of bounding box C-sharp. After that, we need to configure the script. Set target object to be bounding box. Set bounds override to bounding box. Assign material of bounding box to box material. Assign material of bounding box grabbed to box grabbed material. Assign material with bounding box lines to wire-free material. Assign material with bounding box handle white to handle material. Assign material of bounding box handle blue grabbed to handle grab material. Set scale handle prefab to MRTK bounding box scale handle. Set handle slate prefab to be MRTK bounding box scale handle slate. Click the option to show proximity effect active. Click the play button to run. As we can see, we can use the bounding box to scale and rotate. But we can't move the object at the moment. Stop the play, then in Inspector panel, add component of manipulation handlers, C# script. Then set host transformer to be bounding box. Let's play to see the effect. As you can see, now we can move the object. Also, we can use two hands to scale the object. After that, let's add audio feedback for interaction. Select the object of bounding box. In the Inspector panel, add component of audio source. Then click the arrow button to open the script for bounding box. Enter the section of event. Set function of rotate start with click of MRTK rotate start. Set function of rotate stopped with click of MRTK rotate stopped. Set function of scale start with clip of MRTK scale start. Set function of scale stopped with clip of MRTK scale stop.